So here we have a set of Ford Fiesta Mark 6 and Mark 6.5 LED DRL headlights. We are going to demonstrate how to fit them. Start by removing the headlight mounting screws with a T30 Torx or a flathead screwdriver. Remove the grill to reach the third screw. Then you can wiggle the light out. Don't forget to unplug the light. Now it's time to install the new light. They are packed really well to avoid any damages during transit. There is also a protective film on the lens which prevents any scratches. Plug in the new light. These lights are supplied with bulbs already fitted. Wiggle into position. Reinsert the 3 Torx screws. And that is the first light fitted. Repeat the whole process for the other light. Now put the grill back on. All done. Please see the links below in the description. These will direct you to our eBay store or our website.